Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into an important topic: female orgasm. Research shows that men reach orgasm significantly more often than women during sexual encounters. Many women struggle to climax, yet this issue is often overlooked. However, a satisfying sex life is crucial for both physical and emotional well-being. So, what can be done to help women orgasm more easily? Here are 5 science-backed strategies to enhance female pleasure. Be gentle and attentive. The female body, especially the clitoris, is incredibly sensitive. The clitoris has around 8,000 nerve endings, almost twice as many as the head of a penis. This means that direct, rough stimulation can cause discomfort rather than pleasure. Instead, approach your partner with gentle touch. Soft kisses, sensual contact, and foreplay help her relax. Remember, sex isn't just physical, it's emotional too. When a woman feels safe and comfortable, she becomes more aroused and can reach orgasm more easily. Never stop kissing. Kissing is one of the most powerful elements of intimacy. Studies show that prolonged kissing increases oxytocin levels in women, boosting their sexual desire. However, many men stop kissing once things progress further. This can create a disconnect for women. Keeping the kissing going throughout the experience helps maintain arousal and deepens the connection. Plus, passionate kissing enhances natural lubrication, making intimacy smoother and more pleasurable. Be patient and prioritize foreplay. The female orgasm takes time. Research suggests that while men reach orgasm within 5 to 7 minutes on average, women typically need at least 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes even longer. Rushing the process can make it difficult for her to climax. Take your time, enjoy the moment, and focus on extended foreplay. Being patient and fully engaged can significantly improve her pleasure. Don't underestimate the power of oral sex. Scientific studies reveal that most women don't orgasm from penetration alone. In fact, about 70% of women need direct clitoral stimulation to climax. That's why oral sex is one of the most effective ways to enhance female pleasure. However, technique matters. Avoid excessive pressure or overly intense movements. Instead, use soft, circular motions to stimulate the clitoris. Gentle, varied techniques can create a much more enjoyable experience. Explore fantasies and communicate openly. To keep intimacy exciting, discuss fantasies and preferences with your partner. Trying role-playing, new positions, or even introducing sex toys can make your sex life more dynamic. The key is to respect each other's boundaries and communicate openly. Women appreciate knowing that their partner desires them, and expressing your attraction can boost their confidence and enhance their pleasure. The female orgasm can be complex, but with the right approach and understanding, every woman can have a fulfilling sexual experience. Be patient, gentle, and attentive to your partner's needs. Take the time to explore her body and encourage open communication. Remember, sex isn't just about physical pleasure, it's also about deep emotional connection. For a happy, healthy sex life, prioritize mutual satisfaction and clear communication. See you in the next video. Wishing you a fulfilling and enjoyable, intimate life. What do you think about this? Write your thoughts in the comments.